Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm recording this video to talk about Angular forms and specifically about ValueAccessor to see what is it and what is its role in a form scenario. Okay, now to begin, I have created a form so we can review it together and go over its various parts to see how actually it works. This is the form view. It has two input fields, a select dropdown, a checkbox, and a button at the bottom. Okay, now let's take a look at the implementation. See, this is just a basic Angular component with its template and its logic over here. Okay, at first let's take a look at the template part. As you can see, we have two input tags, type password and type text. And after that, we have a select menu to select the user gender and a submit button at the end, and also a checkbox to toggle remember me. Okay, note this part. One of the most important things about Angular forms is that every form element actually has a controller. Every form element has a controller. And each form element has a control. And there is no difference in template driven or reactive forms. Okay, now let's take a look at these controllers. In Angular, we call them formControl. Actually, formControl is just a basic JavaScript object. And as you can see, we have instantiated a new object in this way and wrap all those objects in another object named form group. See, formControl is just a basic JavaScript class. And also do not forget that this model is just a simplified version of it. And in this way, we have instantiated the object and this is the output. You see? With its value and other properties and methods. Actually, in this formControl object, in this controller, we have all the properties and states of the form field. All the states, all the properties, and all the functionalities we need for a form field is actually in this object. So we have a stateful object representing the form element with multiple functionalities and states. Now the question is how this controller interacts with the HTML element and how they communicate with each other. It's ValueAccessor role to synchronize them and keep them in sync with each other. Okay, now that we have understood the Angular form mechanism, it's time to deep dive into the value accessor to see how it keeps them in sync together. Alright, that's enough for this video. In the next video, we will continue on this topic.